Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. And today, guys, we hear it. Khago, Sky God, Jetta, Ratned, and all the other names. There's a song called Walking Dead. It's a diss track towards I-Octane. It's a diss track. In an I-Octane head, it seems like the war done. But Khago say, yo, the war can't done. And they don't tell that from day one already. So him take it personal. You don't believe me? All right, listen to him say.
So you know the warrior can done with the personal. You want 10 years of fight, you don't give me general. Bomb ya can't save your night in mineral. Anyway, me buck up to you, no bang bang.
I never said it. Him said can't done it personal. So in there again with the next one called Walking Dead. Octane, let me just say this before we jump into that reaction now. Nothing else not go on the dance. I'm take out my glasses. Octane, because you're not trouble, you know. Nothing else not go on the dance hall right now. What else go on the dance hall when nice? Octane, give the people them the war with them one, brother. Give the people them the war, brother. Nothing else not go on. Nothing else not go on that place. What else go on that place? Tell me. Who else a clash? Tell me. Right now, any other clash? No clash not go on anyway. So, yo, Octane. Let's go on nice up with summer, no, man. Go on nice up with summer with the artist, man. I'm tear, man. Go on nice up with summer, man. Anyway, let's jump in on here where Khago tell Octane now. Let's go.
Attack. Walking dead. It's like a scary movie. Yes, and your bad boy prove ya. Clarendon, you see him. Rich badness from the prices, right? Why you fit that in a broad daylight?
Clarendon, where him there? You see him? Where him there? We don't see him, you know? Yo, send him out. Cause rich badness, once the price is right, ready for boss ultimate anyway. That's how Khago said to Octane. It feel good reacting back to a diss track. I like react to the diss track. I want to like them too, you know. I want to like them. Let's go.
Badness from the prices, right? Why you fit that in a broad daylight? Why could I hide in a this here rocky pine? Spearman a spear him in a broad daylight.
Spearman a spear him. You know which gun fire spear? Fish gun. What Khago say so? Fish gun him gonna use and shoot Octane. So him say Octane is a fish. Come on, you have to pick up, man. You have to pick up.
This is right. Why you fit that in a broad daylight? Why could I hide in a this here rocky pine?
You see? Boy could have hide in the sea a rocky pine. See? Fish gun, spear. Come on.
In a broad daylight.
Come on.
Why could I hide in a this here rocky pine? Spearman a spear him in a broad daylight. Yo, them me about spear thing cause saving here. Fuck face coulda hide under rope all grave.
Yeah, you see it? Him refer back to the spear. You see me? He must say, yo, me go spear him in a broad daylight. Them hear about the spear and thinks I spear him life. No. You know, him refer to Octane as fuckface. Him say fuckface coulda do what?
Spear thing cause saving here. Fuck face coulda hide under rope all grave. Cause you and me blind fool and they came on away. Shelly and Tina go down in a green ghetto cave.
Shelly and Tina. Shelly and Tina go down in a... I was say Shelly and the runner pocket racket. Big up Shelly.
Fool and they came on away. Shelly and Tina go down in a green ghetto cave. Somebody tell fuck face man now we are sequin. Big boy could hide under rock a Philippine.
Somebody tell fuckface a man a rare sea queen. They must say Octane are just like a girl. Octane a rare sea queen. Remember him did done say Octane neck full up a chain like a rolling calf, you know. That video took me out. The man say Octane a rare so much chain around him neck. Yeah, pussy clock rolling calf. A long time I hear rolling calf, you know. You had to laugh that.
Yes man now we are sequin. Big boy could hide under rock a Philippine. Jamaica said they work and done so they get a boss of it all the fame uncle. My war is like a scary mobile. Like a boy you say you're bad no run just proud.
Brother, you say you're bad. You say you are this big artist where not afraid of nothing. You say you're bad. Prove it. More talk not go nowhere. Chatting's not go nowhere. Prove it. Prove it. Yeah.
The blind and the cripple and the dumb I get gunned down. Boy, your dad get craps up like Lord.
Nobody now get spear. Nobody now get... Back to the spear again. No. Nobody life now safe. The dumb and the blind and the cripple, everybody can get it right now, cause my gun no partial, nobody.
Cripple and the dumb I get gunned down. Boy, your dad get craps up like Lord. Tell us that the war can't over. Me a pen bad man, them and a push over. Somebody tell fuck face we no war part time. Every girl why meet say the boy try find them.
You don't war part time acting. Man say you don't war part time, brother. But big man thing still. What else are going on in the dancehall? Fans, viewers and subscribers, what else are going on in the dancehall right now? Look what the nice with you, though. Look what the nice with you, brother. Give the people them what they want, man. The people them want the war, dog. Nothing else not going on, brother. The whole internet was talking about the war. What go on now? The whole streets was talking about the war. What go on now? Now come on, man. We need the war, man. Act and answer, man. Come on, man.
Yeah, over. Me a pen bad man, them and a push over. Somebody tell fuck face we no war part time. Every girl why meet say the boy try find. Them checks say them can't violate a live in peace, but the war can't over. They shot a run through fuck face so fast like the car them a over. Yeah, them a over. Somebody tell them say a dark with dark. Head chip a one part, embrace the darkness. So
somebody tell him say dark, me dark. A cheaper one part, just embrace the darkness. First him say, gunshot a fly through acting like car over Dover. You know, say Dover at the racetrack where them do them drag race and things like that. So over there, a fast car over there. So I saw gunshot a run through.
say a dark with dark. Head chipper one part, embrace the darkness. Something on the side. Boy, you fit dead, yo, inna the car. Anyway, be my part.
Boy, I feel dead if I even at the car park. Anywhere in Bima Park. Anyway, there. Had that's how him I go dead. Because him love pose with him Bima. Had that's how I go shoot him. I go shoot him in the Bima or outside the Bima, make him drop a ground. Anyway, him car park, had that's how I go dead. Because him love pose up with him car. That's why Khago said, not me, let's go.
Dead, yo, inna the car. Anyway, be my part. Kind got this from girl Chester. Mommy them calling you crime minister. Why you say boy fit dead like insects? Kill them and dash where them gill big stop.
Picture that. Him say, boy, if you dead like insects, scale them and dash with them gill. Fish them.
Me a pen bad man, them no run tracks. Sunday be a talks, them press trigger finger. And anyway you see him say, see wanna Khago dopey there. Lick a dopey butterfly up. Yeah, them checks said.
And so anyway you see acting, say yo, see wanna Khago dopey there. So people now go refer to the artist as acting anymore, our globe boss, our hot trust. Them are gonna call him Khago dopey. Khago dopey. So basically, he must say, see one Khago dopey there. So Khago make him know, say, yo, listen, me have more than one dopey. Me have more than two dopey. You understand? Yeah, you're out in was third or fourth dopey since me not the business. Nah, passion now, no. That's how we Khago say, not me.
Seems says see wanna Khago dopey there. Lick a dopey butterfly up. Yeah, them checks say them can't violate a live in peace, but the war can't over. They shot a run through fuck face so fast like the car them a over. Somebody tell them say a dark with dark. Head chipper one part, embrace the darkness. Something on the side. Boy, you fit dead, yo, inna the car park. Anyway, be my part.
Anyway, be my bar. Anyway, be my bar. Octane, answer. Right now we want a war in a dancehall. Dancehall dead like cemetery. Nobody now warm, nobody now ready. War, yeah, that's how we are medi. War, yeah, that's how we are study. Yeah, Octane answer. Sure. Khago, what you made out of? Yeah, Octane answer. Hey, war. Bomba class. Yo, make us center onto some butt. No pussitas. Yo, Octane. Hear me I say. Khago not stop. Khago not go stop, brother. Khago not go stop. So, Brother, just give it what we want, brother. Give it war. Give it war. Give it war. We want war. Give it war. Yeah, we want war. Get the fans what them need, man. Get the fans what them need. Khago not stop. Khago not stopping, bro. Khago not stopping. This solid. Me like this. This is solid. I actually like this. Cool and deadly. Definitely nice. Big up Sky God, Khago, big up Sky God, Khago, acting, big up yourself too, you see me? Flow connect, I'm not telling a lie, you see me? Khago a stay in him lane, Khago does a sing, Khago a singer, Khago a stay in him lane. Khago now go over acting lane where you know say acting full up of lyrics and not bad DJ, because acting is a bad bumbuckler DJ. Don't get that twisted, you see me? You see me? So yeah, work can done, bang bang, see the work can done, so we need more war, dog, so make it place nice. Make it place nice. Watch him, man, fuck up in here. Yeah, them thing that we want, man. War, man. Summer, man. Make it summer get hot, man. You see me? Anyway, this time I'm going to leave that one. Viewers and subscribers, if you haven't subscribed yet, I want to support your G. Just hit follow. Just hit subscribe on the channel. You don't know. Hit subscribe. Support the thing. Leave a like on the video, and I will see you. Let me know in the comment section if you say war, brother. If you say war, just say war. You see me? So, this time I'm going to leave that one still. Peace.